Good morning, you guys. So I forgot to open the box yesterday. It's been a little hectic over here. So I am opening days 8 and 9 today. So we got Aqua was day 7. Let's see what we have for day 8 here. Oh, goodness gracious. Ooh, so we're back to some purples and blues, it looks like. And we have some pink starting to show up there. There's a little bit of the aqua there, and the navy is in the second day of the shawl. So we had green and blue, and then aqua going into the shawl. So this is the next to the last one that will go in the shawl. And then day 9 will be the last one that goes into the shawl. And still, as of yet, there is no Advent sweater pattern. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the Advent calendar. I might, I just frayed the string. I might look at maybe doing like the V-back sweater or something with it, because I don't want to get behind on using the Advent calendar and using the pretty yarns, especially as we're unboxing them and I'm sharing. I do want to say this wasn't really supposed to be a review, but I am noticing a lot of typos in this shawl pattern, and as you've seen in the pictures, like this is a lacy pattern, so it is, oh dang it, now I got this knotted. Hold on a second. Okay, like I was saying, I am a little frustrated as there have been so many typos in the pattern. The fact that the sweater pattern isn't up yet, and here we are. It's the 9th of January, so everybody should have had their boxes undone by now. Ooh, pretty. So we're going to be ending it with a plummy green. So we're going to go aqua, purple and blue, and then ending the shawl with that. So I am a little frustrated. I am a little, I don't know. I know the intention when, like in the letter and everything said, this isn't a must do it all at once thing. Don't try to keep up with the minis every day and everything. But, I would have probably liked to have seen, all the patterns released before the end of, Advent, before the end of the month where we were supposed to be unboxing this. And as I'm unboxing this in January instead of December, I am a little disappointed that we're still so far behind. I do have my socks to work on. I do have the shawl to work on. Like I said, it's been a little hectic here, so I did forget to open to the 8th yesterday. But, I mean, you know what I mean? Like, even though I'm still working on the other 2 projects, like, it would be nice to know where we're headed with the rest of it. And I was kind of wanting to roll with the project. So I do have another option for a sweater that I can do with these, I think. I'll have to double check the yardage for the V back sweater. And I don't know what that's going to mean for unboxing. I mean, I'm not going to start it until I'm at least done with either the socks or the shawl. I do need to frog back on the socks, I think, and go back to before I started the heel and put in a couple extra rows. I'll check with my sock blocker and see, am I just being weird? But I think my sock is like 3 rows too short, and there is a way to fix that. So I don't know. But I'll show you a picture of where I am on everything right now. And yep, we'll keep on a trucking. Good morning. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, what are we, 10th? Yep, 10th of January. So I'm going to be putting these back into their sachets instead of caking these up like I have been, since I still don't have a project ready for these. But it is what it is. We're going to roll with it. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So, of course, the first thing I saw was white and blue, which we know carry colors. But look at what is popping up there. That is a really, really pretty amber color. So I am going to double check the Facebook group and see if anybody has a suggestion of what they're doing, maybe, with days 10 through 25 of their advent calendar. But that is really pretty. That is really, really pretty. As you can tell, I have not talked this morning except for telling the cat good morning. So I am going to go drink a cup of coffee and get on with my morning. But once again, beautiful, beautiful yarn. Good morning. Good morning. Alrighty, guys. Today is the 11th. Tuesday, the 11th. And we're going to crack on to see. So we had white, blue, purple, and gold in number 10 down there. So what does 11 hold for us? So far, I haven't seen anything going on for the sweater. We're still rolling on socks and the shawl, so squish. Oh, believe it or not, this, all right, it's actually harder to get them back in. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah. Once again, I love purple, so very, very pretty. Cannot complain whatsoever. I really love the yarn. The yarn is absolutely stunning. I love the colors. Like I said, I was already familiar with the Tangled Poets line, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to get this advent calendar, because I do really like the yarns that are in that collection. I am still just a little disappointed on the typos and the lack of the patterns that were listed to be included in this. Life happens, things happen. I get it. I do understand, but we are now, a month after. These should be going into a project based on the days they're coming out. And it is a little, yeah, that we still don't have, the completed, technically we don't have the complete box yet, I think is kind of what has me a little thrown, a little frustrated. But it's okay. I mean, I can come up with my own thing to do. I may end up having to wait until all the days are open because I might need the full skein to do what I had planned to do, but that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So that's 400 grams because these are 20 gram minis. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, okay. So that should be more than enough to do some kind of thing with these. But I might need this as a blender. So this might turn into February's project. So we might, yeah, we'll continue with the unboxings. I'll continue uploading on Saturday. I'll continue sharing what comes out of the advent calendar. But maybe what I'll do is after everything's unboxed, and I know I can use this as a blender because I think this is supposed to be a blender. Maybe from there we'll go and do something different. I'm kind of stuck in that rock and a hard place where I don't quite know what direction to go in. Maybe by the end of the month, the pattern will be released and I can start, working these one a day. It'll give, once again, it gives me plenty of time to finish the shawl and the socks, but anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I love you guys. Hi guys. So it's been a little bit of the last couple days. It is Thursday, so I'm going to open Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday all at once. I'm going to go ahead and start trying to get this edited either today or tomorrow. I've got my show and tell video still left to edit. Anyway, I want to share with you guys what we got because I'm excited and want to know what else is in here. Of course, I'm getting myself all tangled up. Cats are upstairs asleep. Ooh, haha. I love that pop of the maize color with the purple and the blue. That's just fun. So that's day 12. Up next is day 13. I've got to find some other way to mark what days are what in here because getting these back in the bags is a pain in the butt. I know there are going to be some mixed feelings on another tonal, but I love it. That's not quite my color, but I could almost pull it off. That's one of those, I need a blender color with that. It's not quite the best color for my complexion, but I love that. I have another green somewhere up here in the DK area. It's part of my stash, and I'm waiting for that perfect project for it because it's so pretty. I say I love pink, blue, and purple, but the truth is I love most colors. Oranges and yellows, like the hot colors, are really the ones I don't tend to go towards. But then here I am wearing. Oh, nice. All right. So I know in the camera, this is reading like kind of a white base with the green, blue, and a little bit of the yellow, but that is very much a butter tone yarn. It's ever so slightly butter. But guys, look at those three together. Isn't that fun? There's a little bit of the blue in there, a little bit of the green, and a little bit of the yellow. That is so much fun, especially when you see the yellow popping up over there. There you go. That's what you, when I held it down, you could see all that together. Once you have that blue popping out on the other side. That's nice. That's going to be fun. Like I said, I still haven't decided what pattern I'm going to do with these yet. It'll just depend. I'm taking my time on the scarf and the sock, so I'm not, or shawl and the sock, so I'm not really like, I have to get this done today. I just want to work with it because it's pretty. But I do have my pickle jar scarf set that I can still play with too. So patience is a virtue. It's not one I have by nature. That's one I'm having to learn. But, you know, patience is a virtue. Yeah. So that is week 2 of the Aberdeen Wool Co. Tangled Poets 2021 Advent Calendar. I'm still in love with the yarns. All of these have been absolutely stunning. I will try to remember to put in a picture here at the end, maybe up here now, maybe at the end, faded in, who knows. Showing you where I am on the shawl and on the socks. I do need to take a sock blocker up with me while I'm, since my basket of goodies goes back upstairs. But I will give you a progress update on that when I do finally decide on what sweater pattern I'm going to do, since we don't have one for the box yet. I will let you guys know. I mean, this isn't, I know I keep sounding like I'm harping on about this, but this is like different days, so I can't remember what I really did say each day. I know I've mentioned it before, and it's a little, like I said, it's a little disappointing, but life happens. And I'm not mad. I'm not irritated. I have plenty of options of what I can do. It just is going to involve a little bit more thinking on my part. Especially trying to figure out how to split the yarns to do like sleeves on another sweater. I do think I am leaning towards something like the V-neck sweater, because it already was built by many people to be a fade sweater. I can't remember if the designer, I think the designer made it a fade sweater as well. So it's already kind of, it's a simple body shape design to accentuate the yarn, to show off the yarn. And like I said, I think we'll have, these are 20-gram minis. And like I said, I think we'll have more than enough for me to be able to do a short sleeve sweater out of these. I don't know what possesses me to think a short sleeve sweater made out of wool in the Southeast is going to be that great of an idea, but here we are. Hi, my name is Carrie, and I don't always make the logical choice. But it'll be very, very pretty, and I'm loving how these yarns are looking together. I know they're made as a collection and a kit, and I know most of the Tangled Poets collection kind of coordinates in a unique way. So I am curious to see like how everything comes together. I may do a set picture once I decide how to label these and keep the numbers separate outside of the bags. I might try to lay everything out and show you the entire set if I haven't already started working on something by the end of this, just so we can see what all the colors look like together. But yeah, I'm very happy with the yarn. I'm very happy with my purchase. I absolutely love these. I'm having fun working on the shawlette and on the socks. So anyway, I am going to crack on with my day. I want to have some time to knit tonight. So I love you guys. I will see you guys real soon. Please take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.